talaga. Nagpalon. Abayot. Si Pata itong nasa tumoy eh. Buka-buka pa.
Pata ato pusay.
Ha?
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Katulad likod ba? Nagkanalas sa
Florida Adventure Park proudly presents a great show. Let's introduce your host for today, Mr. PJ. Hi, good morning everyone. How are you today? Hi.
Hello!
Hello.
Hi!
Now, did you see our group of pigeons? Well, did you know that pigeons were used as messengers to carry out messages to our friends, families, and loved ones? Now, ladies and gentlemen, please relax and enjoy as our fine feathered friends will showcase their amazing tricks, awesome stunts, guest participation, and important environmental message. Now, everyone, my question is, are you all ready to be amazed by our fine feathered friends?
Yes!
Alright, now to start off, let me call my partner here on stage, Mr. James, and to welcome our blue and gold macaque, Amigo. So Amigo originated from South America, but inhabits the rainforests of Brazil. As Amigo is a very responsible bird and will love to see his environment well. First, he picks up a couple of paper, walks all the way, open the bin, what's next, buddy? And he drop it inside, good bird. Second, he picks up a plastic cup, walks all the way up in the bin, and drop it inside, good bird. Lastly, he picks up the can, walks all the way up in the bin, and drop it inside, good bird. See, if the birds can do it, why can't we, right? So always remember to put your trash in the trash bins. As the saying goes, cleanliness is next to. That's right, godliness. So Amigo, together with his fine friends, has something to tell us. What is it, buddy? Welcome to Cebu Safari Spirit Show. Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, here comes our flying macaws. So we have here a total of 6 blue and gold macaws named Harry, Hardy, Tony, Matt, Kyle, and Carl. So macaws are very active, meaning whatever environment they're in, it becomes quite normal for them. When they are surrounded with many people, they will accept many people. Their diet, they may eat seeds, fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Also, rum as a third largest living macaw, followed by the hyacinth and the green-winged macaw. How about you guys? Do you want to stay here with me? Or do you want to go home to get some more food now? Well, I guess they love to stay here with us. Still a round of applause to our flying macaws. So our next bird we have is a very special, intelligent, and handsome bird. But I need your help to call him. Can you say Jumbo? Alright everyone, say it again. Say Jumbo!
Jumbo!
So here's our green-winged macaw named Jumbo. Now Jumbo, buddy, can you wave to the crowd like this?
Oh, look at.
Now everyone, can you wave back and say, hello Jumbo? So macaws have a very long nails and feathers that can grow up to 3 feet from its head down to its tail. With a tail with rough legs and up to 2 feet, now Jumbo will going to show you his beautiful tail. Can you turn around, buddy? Turn around. Good job. Nice. So as you can see, most of their colors are outside their bodies and less colors under their wings. I'm going to show you his beautiful wings. But first, can you say wings?
Wings!
Alright everyone, say it again. Say wings.
Wings!
Lastly, macaws' feet are zygidactylous, meaning they have 2,000 points forward and 2,000 points backward. They can also use their feet to hold on things and climb. So Mr. James here has a groundnut, and he will going to place it into the plastic basket, and let's see what Jumbo will do. So Jumbo carefully lifts up the plastic basket.
Look to.
That's his nuts. Good.
Kuha niya.
Jumbo. So
Piyaway.
as what I said earlier, that Jumbo is a very special breed. You wanna know why?
Wala ba ang pagkaon?
Well, that's because Jumbo loves to go to school, to the bird school. So we prepared 2 sets of tests just for Jumbo, the spelling test and the mathematical test. But we will have first the spelling test. So we have here 4 animal pictures: a snake, a camel, a tiger, and a horse. I want you to choose one animal picture. What would it be? Say another.
Ha?
Well, I guess I hear
Oh, naligaw siya sa pagkaon, no?
By Miss Donna. So, Mr. Irving is arranging the jumbled letters. Let's go to Mr. James to ask some questions about Jumbo. So, hi, Mr. James. Good morning. How are you today?
Good.
That's good to hear, Mr. James. Now, Mr. James, where did Jumbo originally came from?
South America.
South America, but I guess he loved to save the Philippines, right?
Yes.
Alright, well, I guess we're all set and ready. Now, Jumbo buddy, take a good look at the picture and let's see if you can spell the tiger word correctly. For the first letter, buddy. He picks up the letter T. Now for the second letter, buddy. And he picks up the letter I. Now for the third letter. Take your time. Is it a G or a P?
Iya gikuha ang mga
He picks up the
letters.
letter G. Now for the fourth letter, buddy.
Iya gikuha ang mga letters.
He
Spelling ang
picks up the
tiger.
letter E.
Oh,
Now
look
for
at.
the last letter,
Oh,
buddy.
bright kay si Jamo.
He picks up the letter R. So tiger spells as
tiger.
T-I-G-R. Is it correct?
Yes.
Alright, so a round of applause. So here we go.
Clap.
Jumbo. So since Jumbo did well in the first test, let's make it more difficult. Let's have the mathematical test in addition 4. I want you to choose 2 numbers from 1 to 10. You can raise your hands or hand signs. How about this side? Let's hear 5. How about this side? Let's have 9. Okay, so let's have 5 plus 9. So while Mr. Irving is arranging the jumbled numbers, let's go again to Mr. James to ask more questions about Jumbo.
look at the 5
So
plus
hi,
9, no?
Mr. James, what
Answer-
are Jumbo's
answer na,
favorite
answer.
foods?
Variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables.
So Jumbo's favorite foods are a variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Now, Mr. James, what are Jumbo's favorite subject?
English and math.
English and math. Now, for my last question about Jumbo, Mr. James, where did Jumbo go to school?
University of Cebu, Safari.
University of Cebu Safari. Now, Jumbo buddy, what is 5 plus 9? That's your favorite subject, Jumbo. So, first number. He picks up the number 1. Now for the second number, buddy. And he picks up the number 4. So 5 plus 9 is equals to 14.
Right,
Is it
Kino?
correct?
Clap.
Alright, so round of applause. So agree with Papani, Jumbo. So at this moment, I need volunteer. 1 adult volunteer. Raise your hands if you want to volunteer. So we have here our volunteer staff, Ate Kath, and she will be the one to pick up the volunteer and also to give instructions to them.
Ikaw, Ate Bel. Ganahan ka? Di ka, oh. Ate Bel, ikaw, di ka ganahan? Ate Bel.
Okay, then let's listen to the instructions of our
Si Kuya Shark na, ikaw Kuya Shark. Ikaw lang? Oh, si Kuya Shark nando, oh. Volunteer. Bright kayong bird, no?
Alright,
No,
ready?
Jamo, no?
Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, meet our group of Santineers.
Dako man to ang baba. Like ang dako.
Hindi mo kagkukulo.
So Santineers are also known as the parakeets. They are very playful, social, and have a very loud voice. They're also native to the northeastern part of South America, just like Brazil and Venezuela. Thank you very much, sir. You can now take your seat. Now I need another volunteer. one adult volunteer again that will stand here at the center of the bridge. So we have here our volunteer staff, Ate Kat, and she will be the one to pick up the volunteer and to give instructions to them. Well, I guess you already have our adult volunteer. So just go here. It's the center of bridge, sir. Just be careful going down.
Kaya po ba o pinada pa no?
And face the crowd.
Nga naman,
And listen to the
kaya
instructions
open
of
pa.
our volunteer staff.
Basin wala pa lagi open na.
Naghan kayo
Alright,
ng
ready?
maglawas.
Now,
Siguro,
ladies
siguro.
and gentlemen, eyes here and meet our couple under their name, Ding and Dong.
Wala, nimo gawas oh.
So Santiers are also monogamous type of breeds, meaning they only have one partner for a lifetime. But when their partner dies, that will be the only time that they will find another mating partner. Thank you very much, sir. You can now take your seat.
Na, sibula dagan.
Now for the last volunteer, I need another adult volunteer with a money or a paper bill.
Ito sila.
Just raise your hands if you want to volunteer.
Wam na ilam na gitudluan.
Yan naman pa.
Para makat-on. Sama karon oh, nag-bird show ta oh, kabalo sila. Bright kay mga langgam.
Just bring any paper bill. 50,
Sa
100,
likod pa. Break tayo.
500, or 1,000 will do.
Katog daw siya pa.
Then just go up here to stage, ma'am.
Ano siya? Nakaibaw lagi na siya.
Mo lagi.
Right here is the bridge, ma'am.
Tudluan
And
man
at your
tudluan.
left side and at my right side. So we have here, good afternoon, good morning, ma'am. How are you today? That's good to hear, ma'am. May I know your name? So Miss Christine. So Miss Christine here has a 100 peso bill. Now, ma'am, can you wave your money to the crowd? Alright, so all you have to do next is to fold your money 3 times in the same direction. So all you have to do next is to extend your right arm and hold the tip of the money. Okay, just like that. Alright, so ready, ma'am? So don't make extra movement and do not try to touch the bird, okay? Now, ladies and gentlemen, eyes here and meet our cute and fluffy center name, Sunny. So Sunny loves money, and normally in the wild, they love to pick up things to build their nest. So let's see what Sunny will do. So Sunny flies all the way to Miss Christine and he picks the 100 pesos. Go inside, Sunny. So bye-bye, Sunny, and bye-bye 100 pesos. Oh, we're not done yet, ma'am.
Wala nawala na yung 100 gikuha ko yung shirt sa
What is
langgam.
your message to our brave Sunny?
Iyang money gikuha sa langgam.
He answered no. But serious question. Did you enjoy the show?
Yes.
Did you really enjoy the show?
Yes, I really enjoyed.
Well, since you really enjoy the show, we will do it one more time, but another 1,000 pesos. We accept GCash or card, bank transfer.
Anong tulo na?
I'm just kidding, ma'am. So I will help you get your money back. So all you have to do is to extend your right arm again and open your palm. Okay, just like that. Are you ready to receive your
Mubalik to.
20
Iyatay
pesos?
uli kuya shirt.
1,000.
Kuya shirt, iyatay uli.
Obrigado kung bili sa 1,000. Are you ready to receive your 50 pesos? Ay, gawa daw tayo ito ka 0. So 100, Okay, so try to touch the
lukat, ah.
birthday. So Sunny
Balik, tumbay
loves
ko lang,
seeds
Gab.
more than money. So
Iulit
let
ko
me
yung
come
money.
outside, Sunny, and let's return the money. So there you are, buddy. So Sunny flies back all the way to Miss Christine and he puts the 100 peso back. So a round of applause to our cute and fluffy
Clap, clap,
Sunny.
clap. Very good.
No, Mom, we're not done yet, Mom. We'll do it
Ano,
again, but
naik ka na, Git.
2,000 na. You don't have 1,000, but 2,000. So since you already here up on stage, ma'am, you will be our next volunteer for the next act. So stand right here. And my question is, did you prepare an intermission number? We have two choices,
Nagana
to
tong
sing or to
nagtawas ang
dance.
kwak pa no. Daghan kayo ang nabilin. Nagahada.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. I'm just kidding, ma'am. So stand right here, and all you have to do is to hold one of our hula hoops. You don't need to dance. You just need to hold one of our hula hoops. It's a prank. So go like that, right? Okay, ready? Now, ladies and gentlemen, meet our cute and playful senior name, Jack and Jill. So they find the first one, the second one, and wait to the third one. Second time, Mr. Charles. Fly the first one,
Look at
the second one,
no?
and wait to the third one. So round of applause, our playful senior name, Jack and Jill. Thank you so much, ma'am. You can have take your seat. So from the jungle of South America, let's wander the rainforest of Brazil as we have here our most handsome tuca named Mr. Horn. So tucans are the largest and best known toucan species around the world. It has a wide throat and long body that helps them camouflage in the rainforest. So Mr. James here has a platter of fruit, and he will go and deposit it to Mr. Horn, and let's see how good he is at catching his food. First try, Mr. James. Did catch Mr. Horn? How about second try, Mr. James? Oops, he missed it.
Look at to.
So as you can see,
Ano,
Mr.
mag-cellphone,
Horn
magbukas
has a
lang.
large and colorful bill that looks heavy, but in reality, it is extremely light, as it is only made of protein and keratin, just like our hairs and nails. What's next, buddy? Okay. So there are a total of 40 toucan species around the world, and one thing they have in common is their large and colorful bill. Did catch Horn? So these type of birds can be seen in the skies of Brazil and Venezuela. So a round of applause to our most handsome toucan named Mr. Horn. So at this moment, let's meet Mr. Horn's good friends. Our two yellow-crowned Amazon parrot named Lanny and Rudy, together with their members, Miss Rachel and Miss Donna. So I'll hand you over to them for a moment.
Thank you, Mr. KJ. Again, everyone, this is our yellow-crowned Amazon parrot named Lanny and Ruby. Yellow-crowned Amazon parrot is the most commonly kept Amazon due to its talking ability and playfulness.
That's right. We make toucan sound what they hear every day.
Okay, can you say hi? Okay, they can mimic a different sounds of animals. First is a rooster. With a rooster. How about that?
Okay, sir. Kaya, sir. Look at to. Nag-talk ang bird.
How about cellphone? The last one is
Hello?
whistle.
Rudy and Lanny do love to sing, but because they didn't have
Eh, sir. Hindi na magsi-cellphone, be.
How about the first song? And then. fun. Okay, hi, happy birthday, and now listen carefully because Danny and Ruby will sing a happy birthday song. We will sing birthday. Again. Last one. Everyone, a round of applause for Ricky birthday, Danny and Ruby.
Wow, so happy birthday to all the celebrants, and thank you, Lenny and Judy, together with their mentors. Now, hi everyone, enjoyed the show so far? Alright, now since you already witnessed the amazing cheeks and talents of our cute and fluffy